Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jack. I'm a UX designer in Macon. Right now I'm going through the Google UX course that's given by Coursera, and a lot of you guys may be going through courses as well. And I just want to show you guys the process that it takes to become a UX designer. A lot of times we see videos here on YouTube that are videos of people who are already into the UX field, and they're showing you their day in the life of a UX designer. Well, I want to show you the day in the life of a UX designer in Macon. I always say in Macon because I'm gonna speak the job already on myself. So I always claim what I want. So I'm gonna say in Macon. But right now, what I want to do is just show you guys what I'm working on right now. I'm actually in the course number 6 or 7 that Google offered, and I'm working on a project, the second project for my portfolio. So right now, let's get into it. So a little backstory. This prompt that I chose for this second project is a study, how to put it for you guys. I'm building a study platform for high school students where they can go and they can choose different students in their area to study with outside of the classroom while they're at home. A lot of times students have a hard time of studying, or they may not have enough time inside the classroom to get all the information that they need, or they may be dealing with a situation where the teacher, I have run into this when I was in college, not so much in high school, but the teacher may be from another country and it's kind of hard to understand the teacher, or the teacher may talk fast. Like me, myself, I have been told I talk pretty fast, so it may be hard for someone, if I'm teaching the whole classroom, to understand, understand the full aspect of what I'm trying to instill into the kids. So this right here will give them the benefit of studying with a study partner, studying alone, because it will have tutorials on here. It will have where they can update information from the classroom and their studies. And matter of fact, I'm just gonna stop talking and take you guys through the app that I have wireframes that I have just created. So I just want to take you through a couple of steps of the wireframe. The app is not, or the site is not fully built out all the way, but I just want to show you guys the process of becoming a UX designer while I'm inside of the process. Okay, so let's get right into it. So right here we have the landing page for my website. For my website. And if you see this box right here with X, of course everyone should know a box with X represent a picture or a video. So we have a picture. This would be like maybe a campus, or kids sitting outside studying, or just a friendly campus high school environment. That's what this image would represent right here. Okay, if we come down, we have different tabs, 4 tabs. We have tutorials, testimonials, sign up, and log in. So on my landing page, I want the kids to see something that'll grab their attention ASAP before they even log into it, before they create a account or anything with us. I want them to see something to get their attention, be like, hey, let me check into this. So right on the front page, of course, we have the nice picture, and then we have 2 videos. I'm not fully sure how I want to incorporate the videos, whether there's testimonials or whether tutorials. I think I'm leaning more to a tutorials, because testimony is, people who went through the course or went through this program or went through this platform and utilized it. But starting out, I'm not gonna get a lot of testimonials at first. So to grab the attention of these high school students, and you gotta remember we're working with high school students, so the attention span of most high school students are kind of short. So we gotta grab their attention real quick. So I think I want to go with tutorials in these 2 video spots. So let's just go through it. So if I hit tutorials, so now it'll take me to a tutorial page. I have 4. Okay, of course this arrow means back, so we can go back to, and this is, like I say, this is all done before you even sign up and log into an account. So you can do this without even creating anything. Testimony, you can see all this. I want them to see everything, well, not everything, but some things that can grab their attention. Okay, now we want to sign up. We have to sign up before we log in, everybody. So let's sign up. And I just want to take you through the process. Okay, so you will register. You have information about registration and everything, or the school. Okay, you will input your name, your email address, your grade level. That is very important, grade level. Grade level is important because it'll keep the site and the app will keep track of. You would not be paired. A 12th grader would not be paired with a 9th grader. You cannot go on their level or on their tab or on their profile to try to buddy with them or try to try to study with them. What I'm trying to say. So I want to keep, and this is all done before I do my usability studies. Now I have did surveys and I have did interviews, but I have not ran a usability study on it. That is very key to say. So it may come back, and I have did one test this morning with my brother. He's a grown up, but he did point something out to me, and I'll say that in a few seconds. But I have not ran a usability study with a high school student yet, so I may come back and say I need some of these things. I just want to make sure I point that out. Well, I don't know what that was flying. Okay, so we have grade level and we have password. Now I had phone number on here, but then I started thinking about privacy and human trafficking is real big in our country, so I took that out. I don't want no way you can get a high school student phone number or information like that. So we just gonna put name, email address, grade level, and password. Okay, you would say accept the terms and the conditions of the privacy policy. Then you would log in. Boom. As soon as you log in, you come to your profile page. Now, the profile page, top left corner, we have what will be your inbox or your alerts, some people would say. So you will have, your study buddy may inbox you. You may have a message from someone who's trying to become a study buddy with you. Or you may be having some alert. The app may give you something for resources. So that will be right there. Then we have the about page, resource tab. Resources can be anything from, finding out information about a specific topic, a specific subject, or anything. Groups. Groups are the site and the app will be able to incorporate up to 4 people in a group. So the site will have like Zoom call capability where we can be on Zoom, but you can only have 4 because we're gonna split the screen in 4 sections. And then your grade level. Okay, so when we come in, we can track our study progress, what we've been doing. Your top study buddy, your top subject that you're proficient in, and then your study time. I want to be able them to keep a track and see how long they are studying. That can motivate them, or that can show them that they're slacking in study, and that can be one of the issues that they're having why they're not receiving all the information that they're supposed to be receiving, because maybe they're just not studying at a longer pace, longer time period. And then you will have your profile picture. This is a profile picture or your avatar, and this is your menu button right here. Okay, we got drop-down menus for favorite subject. That's your favorite subject, your favorite study part. And once again, this is still your profile page. So everybody's profile page will have this on it. Okay, and then you can find a study partner under your grade once again. So if we click down, okay, we have main subject. So we have your basic subject, your math, your science, your English, and your history. And then we have a message board. The message board is just like a social media platform where everybody can type and voice their opinion about different things on our platform. So let's go into one of these subjects real quick. We're gonna go into math. We go to math. We say, hey guys, here are all the math subjects that I can't help you with. So what you're doing is you letting your study buddy or people around you know what are you all efficient in that you can or cannot help them with. So it may be something that's not on this list that they are looking for. They know not to even waste time trying to reach out to you to study with. So this person said algebra, pre-cal, and calculus. Check my availability. Boom. And then you have whoever they're looking for, their availability. So it'll be your availability. And it looks like this person is only available on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Everything else is crossed out. So let's try Monday. Let's try Wednesday night. Boom. Days of the week and time. So this will have Wednesday night and then the availability time that they're available on there. Okay, schedule a study session. I have not done, like I say, I have not fully went through the whole process yet. I just want to show you guys while I'm in the process, but you will click schedule. Or if you made a mistake, you can always go back. Okay, I didn't want to pick the night. Let's pick the 11th, my bad. So we will have the 11th at what time, and then we will pick those. Now that I'm looking at this, I would like to have a time list, different options for them to come in, like 11 a.m., 11:30, 11:40. I would want to have different times. I would definitely read back reach back and change that around. So let's go back. Let's say we want to try history, and it will be the same thing. Here, guys, here are the history subjects I can help you with: American history, world history, African American history. Check my availability. This person is available not on the weekends, so they're not available on the weekends. Okay, let's do science, biology, earth science, and physical science. Check my availability. They're only available Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. So this right here is just gonna give you a glimpse of what I'm doing and the app that I'm building, or the responsive website. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm in course number 6, and we are working with responsive website. Um, that's what we're doing. I'm so sorry. I didn't say I didn't properly. I'm still inside of it now, so you can get my flaws along with the good stuff. So I'm working with responsive web design. That's what I'm working with. I'm in course number 7. I mean 6 or 7. So I'm almost done. I almost have my UX design certificate through Coursea, and I look forward to hitting the job market very soon. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned because I'm gonna keep on giving you guys some of this UX design course that I'm going through. All right, thank you.